from Digification. Let's see how you can change your shop banner in WooCommerce store. So this is my store. You can see at the top I want to change the banner, which is from the demo import theme. To change this, sometimes if you're not able to click on edit with Elementor, click on customize and you will find WooCommerce settings. The moment you click on customize, you will see this editable pencil icon. Click on it. So if you see it's identified in products title area, go to design. First try to identify that particular column. We identified this is product title area. Once you're on the design section, look at the background and see if this is the same image. And here we have identified it's the same image. You can replace the image. You can select someone and just try. Now here you see the background is changed and simply click to publish. That's it.